Welcome to JH. Have you heard about Capital Spring? This platform claims to be a trusted, regulated Forex broker dedicated to helping traders make profitable decisions with all the right tools and knowledge. It sounds incredibly promising, much like a diet that encourages eating nothing but cake. But is it actually legit? Let's find out. The first major red flag is the complete lack of transparency. Capital Spring doesn't bother to show who actually owns or runs the company. Their domain was privately registered in August 2025, suggesting they're either time travelers or just really bad at filling out forms. The only name anywhere in their records is a David Koo, who apparently writes their marketing materials and nothing else. Another massive concern involves the addresses they list. Their website points to a London office that seems to have no idea they exist, while their marketing documents list entirely different locations. It's a fun little scavenger hunt, provided you enjoy your brokers being as reachable as a ghost in a fog. Then there's the issue of their products, or rather, the total lack of them. Capital Spring doesn't actually sell any real goods or services. Promoters can only sell memberships to the scheme itself, which means there is no real revenue being generated from anything tangible. It's essentially a club where the only rule is to talk about the club. The compensation plan is where the math gets truly imaginative. They promise insane returns on cryptocurrency investments, ranging from 0.15% per hour to 15% per week. If those numbers were real, the founders would be richer than most small nations by next month. Naturally, there's a catch. Your payouts depend entirely on bringing in new members. That is the classic setup for a Ponzi scheme. Capital Spring claims these profits come from professional traders, but they provide zero proof of any actual trading. Essentially, your investment is just being used to pay off earlier members until the whole house of cards inevitably falls over. So, is Capital Spring legit? Based on the evidence, the answer is a resounding no. Between the fake addresses, the lack of products, and guaranteed returns that defy the laws of economics, it has all the hallmarks of a scam. Most people who join these schemes end up losing everything. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates, tips, and reviews. Stay safe, stay informed, and try to keep your money in this dimension.